Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Chop rotten cores and remove large stems. This prevents bitterness and clogging. Once trimmed, feed apples into a grinder or hack into quarters with a sturdy knife. Smaller pieces release juice more efficiently. Make sure the barrel and press plates are clean and food safe. Sanitation preserves flavor and prevents spoilage. While you work, layer a coarse mesh or cloth inside the basket to capture pulp yet allow juice through, and position your collection. Once the crushed apples are in the basket, secure the basket into the frame and center the pressing plate. Tighten bolts or engage the jack gradually. Apply steady pressure rather than sudden force, because slow compression squeezes more juice and preserves clarity. Rotate the basket or redistribute pomace if flow stalls. This equalizes pressure and prevents channeling. Make sure the juice flows into a pre-sanitized container and strain through a fine mesh if needed. Continue pressing until output dwindles to a few drops per minute. Finish by releasing pressure and carefully removing the pressed cake. Squeeze the cloth by hand if you want a final recovery. Immediately filter the juice to remove fine solids, then chill or pitch yeast depending on whether you're making cider or storing fresh. If the press clogs or juice stops, do not crank harder. Release some pressure, shift and break up the cake, then reapply slowly. This clears channels and avoids damaging the press. Make sure seals and bolts are tight before the next batch to prevent leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.